Jess, hey, it's good to hear from you. I didn't think you'd call.
Yeah, well, neither did I, to be honest. Guess we're both full of surprises. So what are you up to?
Did you hear about the missing kid? I'm joining the search.
Oh, wow. Okay. You think that's a good idea?
Why wouldn't it be?
You know why? You know what? Never mind. You're right. Maybe I shouldn't have called.
No, Jess, wait. No, I'm glad you did. Listen, I'm almost there. I'll call you later, okay?
All right. Just be careful.
Come on, Bullet. Let's see if we can find a way to contact Sheriff Lanning. Well, looks like they've started without us, huh? Okay, let's get moving. Let's find this kid. He's been through enough already. We're not leaving that laying around, right, boy? Oh, looks like they have the whole forest covered. They came well prepared. What is this? Heel! Good boy! Better not rush into this. We need to find a way to contact the search party.
The number you are trying to reach is currently unavailable.
I guess it's tough to get reception all the way out here. Sorry, Anthony. First come, first served. Yeah, I'll call landing once I'm in the forest. Come on, Bullet. Let's go find this kid. Yeah, no point in waiting any longer. Let's call landing. Ellis to base. Did you copy?
Ellis, what are you doing out here?
Joining the search party.
Ellis, if you think you got some obligation to be here, you don't. I mean, I know it's his brother and all.
Sir, I'm here to help. That's all there is to it. Bullet's with me. If he catches the scent, he'll lead us straight to the kid.
You got a point there. You think you're up for it? Your, health issues, they're not gonna be a problem?
Sir, I'm not gonna screw this up. Not this time.
Well, all right then. Just stay in the rear. Make sure we haven't missed anything.
Roger that. Over and out. Well, time to get to work. Seek. Yeah, lead on, buddy. Good boy. Yeah, lead on, buddy. We're looking for Peter, not the search party, buddy.
We're taking a detour. Spencer thinks he saw something. Probably just a raccoon, but, yeah.
I told you it was not a raccoon.
Okay, seek.
Great, a bear then.
Nothing there, huh?
Chief, we're done checking the
Here.
bridge. Nothing here. Ow! Fucking brambles! You guys know these woods are cursed, right? You don't leave by nightfall, you might not leave at all. Then let's find that kid and get out of here. Now cut the chatter and focus on the search.
Yep, it was a raccoon.
Logging area is clear. Good job.
Well, I did say I'd call.
Wow, did you guys see that old tree? Gives me the creeps.
You know, back during the Revolutionary War, there was this witch. She'd kidnap the local children, suck on their blood and whatnot. When they finally caught her, they hanged her on one of...
Hey, Jess, I got your message.
Hey, I'm glad you called. How's the search going?
Yeah, well, not much luck so far. But hey, you know, at least Bullet's happy we're out of the house. And, Jess,
Yeah?
I'm sorry about earlier. You know how important this is to me.
I know, just... Don't shut me out, Ellis. Believe it or not, I'm on your side. Always have been.
Yeah. Thanks, Jess.
And call me if things get rough, okay? I'll be here.
Will do. See if you can find something, buddy. You got nothing? Come here, boy. Come here, boy. A photo? What the hell? Bullet! Come on, look around, boy. Nothing there, huh? Come here, boy. Bullet, search! Bare footprints. Yeah, someone must really love nature. Heel! Okay, seek! Go get it! What'd you find? Let me see. Aren't you a handsome boy? Leave it, buddy. Now's not the time. Baltimore crows. That's Peter's cap. Good boy. We need to hurry. Can you follow the scent? Come on, buddy. Sniff. Good boy. Now show me. Ellis to base. I found Peter's cap.
You did? Well, great job, Ellis. Just stay where you are. We'll join up with you and keep searching from there.
Negative. Bullet picked up a scent. I'm not risking him losing it. I'll keep you posted. Over and out. Bullet, wait up! Shit! God damn it! Gotta find Bullet back up there. Bullet! Bullet! Where are you, buddy? Bullet, where are you? Where the hell is he? Bullet, where are you? Bullet! No, not now. Bullet. Bullet? Come on, get a grip, Ellis. We've gotten this far. Not giving up now. Bullet, where are you? Bullet. Okay, calm down, Ellis. Everything's fine. It's all in your head. Bullet? Bullet, where are you? Oh, well. Yeah, look who decided to show up. Don't leave me like this, okay, buddy? I can't be alone out here. What is it, boy? Did you find something? Ah, so we're still on Peter's trail. Good. Yeah, lead on, buddy. Hey, Jess.
Ellis? Is everything all right? You don't sound so hot.
No, I'm fine. It's, under control.
It doesn't sound like it. Ellis, maybe you should...
No, I said I'm fine!
Yeah, of course you are.
Now listen, I think I saw something. I gotta go. Call you later. I'm sorry, Jess.